Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial, I'm going to reveal to you how you can find coordinates of specific locations in Google Maps, for example, to navigate to them using these coordinates. It is super simple, guys, and you can apply the following trick to Google Maps on both device types, on a web browser as well as on the mobile application. So this is how you can do it, guys. As you can see, I'm accessing Google Maps through the web application. So I would like to find out the coordinates of, let's say, that location, that random location here. All you need to do, guys, is right click on the given location, and as you can see here in the drop down menu, you will be given access to the coordinates of the given location. To copy the coordinates, simply left click on them, and let's say, guys, you would like to navigate to that location. Simply open Google Maps, let's say in the new tab, and here in the search bar, enter and paste these coordinates. Press enter or click on that button here to the right, and there you go. You will be automatically navigated or redirected to the given location associated with these coordinates. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.